To make puja thali, we need one steel plate, shani fabric, one steel lota, two tiny bowls like this, some beads, and some stones. Glue gun and glue, some laces, any type of lace you can take, scissors, kinari. You have to paste it on the edges of the plates. These kind of patches. I will paste only one patch. So the puja thali is done. How do you like my work? Please comment and give your reviews in the comment section. And as you can see, this yellow thali, I made this earlier, but unfortunately I couldn't upload the video. Please tell me which one you like the most. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Now the time to go, and I'll catch you in my another video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.